Good morning, children. Today in bio class, I am going to explain you tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus. This tobacco mosaic virus is also known as TMV. T stand for tobacco, M mosaic, V virus. This tobacco mosaic virus was discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. Tobacco mosaic virus are very small. They are much smaller than bacteria because they can pass through bacteria proof filters. So if they are able to pass through bacteria proof filters, it means they are very small in size. This virus was isolated, extracted from the infected plant of tobacco by M.W. Wegener. He has extracted tobacco mosaic virus from infected plant of tobacco. W.M. Stanley obtained the crystal of tobacco mosaic virus by the process of crystallization. So, W.M. Stanley isolated tobacco mosaic virus from infected plant and he obtained this virus in the form of crystal of tobacco mosaic virus. When a plant is infected, then symptoms of this virus appear in downwards surface of the leaves. The leaves of the plant will show yellow and green mottling or mosaic symptoms. This virus is highly contagious. It will transfer from one plant to other. The debris of infected plant lying in the soil, that is the main source of infection. Tobacco mosaic virus consists of made up of two components, two constituents. One is protein and other is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid which is found in the tobacco mosaic virus is RNA, ribonucleic acid. So proteins, there are near about 2,130 identical protein subunits. That identical protein subunits are known as capsomers. These These capsomers are arranged around a central stranded RNA molecule. So here is RNA helix, and around this RNA helix protein coat, that is the capsid, its unity capsomer, they are arranged on it like this. So when these proteins are arranged on the around a central stranded RNA, then its structure is like this, as shown here. See, this is the RNA helix, and like this is the RNA helix. And around it, these are the capsomer, that is protein subunit, and these are going to arrange on this. So these proteins are arranged on this RNA helix. RNA has the information, it determines the sequence of amino acid in the protein subunit of the capsid. Its RNA is capable of infecting the healthy tobacco plant.